In this video, I'm going to show you how to log on to nearpod.com. First, you're going to need a code from your teacher or whoever is creating the session. So once you have that code, you're going to go to join.nearpod.com. You'll get this screen. Here is where you're going to put your teacher's code. So the code that I was told to use was SHQCL. I'm going to hit the yellow join box. And on the next page, it's going to ask me for my name. Here I have to type in my name. And when I'm ready, I'm going to hit join session, the blue box. And it's going to bring me right to the lesson. What you're going to see, if there's audio, it's usually at the bottom. You can listen to the audio that's on the bottom, and to go to the next slide, you hit the blue arrow over here. Once again, this one has audio on the bottom. There's different features. One of them is the draw up feature. You can use the tools on the bottom. So we have our pencil, our marker, text, picture, and of course the eraser. Right now I'm going to erase, not put in a picture, and the eraser is over here. You can make the marker fatter, and you can make it skinnier. It's something to pay attention to because in lessons where your child is going to have to write, you're going to want a skinnier pencil to help them. When you're done drawing, hit the submit button, the blue submit button on the bottom. You can also erase your picture by hitting this button over here. On a draw it, if there's audio, it's over here. You can also always bring the menu down and check the code. There's also quizzes. Just make sure that you are submitting and hitting next. It's usually a blue box in the top in the right corner. Another great feature, we're going to go through this. Another great feature that Nearpod has is called matching games. You have to match the, depending on what your teacher is asking you to do, you have to match the two cards to get them right. If you don't want to see this anymore, you can hit the arrow up there. And my favorite aspect is virtual reality. With virtual reality, you can move. If you're on an iPad or a Kindle or a phone, you can just move around. If you're on a computer, you can use your mouse, and you can go anywhere that your teacher wants you to go. So today we took a trip to Egypt to see the pyramids. Another feature is fill in the blanks. When you're done, you hit done. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy Nearpod. It's very easy, it's very fun, and it's a great tool for learning. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.